In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save LibreOffice Writer as PDF. If you want a clean, shareable document that looks the same on any device, exporting to PDF is the way to go. The process is quick, reliable, and works the same on most systems. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer. You can open an existing document or create a new one and add your content. Before you export, it's a good idea to give the document a quick review. Check headings, margins, and page breaks so the PDF reflects exactly what you intend. Next, head to the top left corner and open the File menu. Instead of Save As, choose Export As, then select Export as PDF. This is important because Export as PDF gives you control over how the PDF is created, while Save As won't provide these options. When you select Export as PDF, a dialog box appears with settings that help you balance quality, security, and file size. Under Range, decide whether you want to export the entire document or only specific pages. This is perfect if you're sharing a section of a larger file. You can specify a range, like a few consecutive pages or a mix of single pages and ranges. If you want everything, just keep it set to all pages. For images, choose the compression level that suits your needs. Higher compression creates a smaller file, but may reduce image quality, which is fine for drafts or quick sharing. Lower compression preserves more detail for photos and graphics, but the file size will be larger. If your document is mostly text with a few simple images, moderate compression usually strikes a good balance. Under Security, you can set a password to open the PDF or restrict actions like printing. Use this if you're sharing sensitive content or want to control how it's used. Keep in mind that passwords can't be recovered if lost, so store them safely and only use them when necessary. Once your options look right, click Export. You'll be prompted to choose where to save the file. Pick a location you'll remember, give the file a clear, descriptive name, and make sure it ends with .pdf if your system asks for an extension. Then click Save. That's all there is to it. You've created a PDF directly from LibreOffice Writer with the settings that match your needs, whether that's small file size, strong security, or high image quality. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to export your documents like a pro.